Uh-oh. The monster's here. Want to look? Whoa, settle down.
Look at this. Look at this. Can you have this?
You okay, Katie?
Here you go.
She's looking a little worried.
Are you happy?
Yeah. His first Halloween.
Are you
he
happy
didn't even
for
like
me?
have all the big rules.
Are you happy?
Yes, he's a happy monster.
Are you happy, monster? Hurry!
Sophie's like, yeah, I'm going along with everything else. Oh, I love that I got that.
The spider's here!
Here, let's put your mask on and we'll have Antonia take a picture.
Vader!
What did Soph do?
She jumped backwards.
Aww.
She was fine. She just kind of jumped backwards
Where
for a
does the
minute.
camera go?
Right here.
Oh, okay, thanks. Here, you hold E up. And I'll hold Soph. Put
All
your
right.
mask on.
Okay.
Oh, Paul.
Hold on.
Look at Paul.
Okay,
Kathy's
you guys
like,
ready?
what's going on?
Put your mask on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Say cheese.
Cheese. Did you look, Sophie? Did she turn around?
No.
Let me try from this angle again.
Put your mask on, bud. Say cheese.
Here we go. Say cheese. Yeah. The lighting's not cooperating the best.
Thank you, monster.
Do you know how to review the
Thank
pictures?
you.
Easy.
Tell me if those are okay.
Thank you, monster. You're
The
very
lighting
good.
issues.
Yeah. You can't see E at all except his reflective tape. No. You can barely tell my holding them. Should I put the candle up in the pumpkin?
Hello?
So,
Hello?
E.
Whoa.
Hello? Hey. Can you hear me?
Oh, did Daddy head out?